Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to boot Windows 10 from USB. Firstly, download Rufus from the official website, install it and open it. Connect a USB drive to your PC. In the device field, choose the connected USB drive and select next to boot selection and locate the saved Windows ISO file. Under image option, select Windows to go. For computers with a legacy BIOS, set the partition scheme to MBR. For UEFI systems, set it to GPT. Optionally, change the volume label to something recognizable like Windows 10 or Windows 11. Next, click Start, then choose the Windows version like Home, Pro or Education, if prompt, and confirm any pop-ups. Rufus will copy the Windows files to your USB drive, monitor the progress under the status section, and close Rufus once it's done. And that's it guys. After completion, your USB drive will be bootable and can run Windows as a portable OS on different computers. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.